Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we'll explore Microsoft Outlook, what it is and how to use it. So let's get started. Microsoft Outlook is an all-in-one communication and scheduling platform. It's most well known as an email app, but it also includes tools for calendars, contact, task management and even video calls all in one place. It is available on web, mobile and desktop, and it's widely used in schools, offices, and for personal uses and personal productivity setups. Now, to start using it, first you have to go to your App Store and download your app if you haven't. So go to the App Store, search Microsoft Outlook on your search bar at the top of the page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that. So you'll see the install option and tap on install, and then open up your app. After that, sign in, and then you'll land in the inbox. So here you can view, reply and organize your email. You land in the inbox, and here you can view, reply and organize your emails. Now you can click on new mail to compose a message. So here's the blue icon with new email. Tap on that to compose a message. Then add the send, and then add subject and message body, and then hit send. You can use the folder screen to access the inbox. So here's the folder pen besides the plus icon. Then you can see the options: attach file, use last photos, or you can also choose from library and then attach it to email folders. You can also create custom folders. Now to schedule meetings or events, click on the calendar icon at the bottom of the page besides to your name. Click on calendar icon to schedule meetings or events. You can invite people, set reminders, and even add Microsoft Teams links for video calls. So to create a new event, you can tap on the blue icon right here on this. So tap on that, and then just fill out all this. Then just type a task, set a due date, and mark it complete when it's done. You can search on the top of the page. There's a search icon. So tap on that, and then you can search to find old emails weekly. So that is all about Microsoft Outlook, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it, and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.